One of the ways to trade boom and crash successfully is to swing trade, which means you should be able to identify when it's going to go on a very long trend. Okay, at that spot, then you can come in and trade for a very long time. But the problem with most people is we don't know how to identify some of these places. As a result of that, we miss opportunities for us to trade for a very long time. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can identify long trading opportunities in boom and crash. Okay, so I want you to have your pen and your writing pad on ground. Take note of some of the things that I will be highlighting in today's video. Make sure you practice everything on your demo account so that you will be able to perfect your skills before trying it out on your real account. Okay, so I welcome you all to today's video. If you are new on this platform, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. Okay, so feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. Make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. This is very vital and important. Okay, so if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you would like to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you are even there, you would like to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. Let me know the type of tool you want to make inquiry about, so that I can give you direct answer to your to your question. Okay, my contact details are displayed on the screen, and you can also join the Telegram channel. I'll be dropping all this in the description box below this video. Okay, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And quickly, let me say this. After clicking on the notification bell, click set it to all notification. That way you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have for today. But before doing that, let's try and check out what is happening in the market so that we get to know what we should look out for at the moment. Okay, at the moment, boom 1000 is on uptrend. As you can see, it is just trying to go back on downtrend somewhere here, but it has got into this resistance level, came down, got there again, came down, got there again. It might be going on a on a very long downtrend if it breaks out from here successfully. Once it breaks out from here successfully, then we should experience a very long downtrend. Probably we should look at somewhere here before it spikes. Okay, and if it breaks this, then we should be looking at this session for the reversal in price action. So what I have just used to do my analysis here is the signal indicator. You can see the yellow line and the blue line. The yellow line shows when the market is on downtrend. The blue line shows when the market is on uptrend, and you can see it has changed from blue to yellow. And you can see the signal 5 in yellow color, which tells us that the market is selling at that particular time. If you had come in following the signal 5, then definitely you would have gotten some candles for yourself, for your keep. Okay, let's check out. You will have gotten 10 candles for your keep. The 11th one is even being created at the moment, and it is trying to break that support level. Let's check out what is happening with crash 1000 using the crusher indicator. Okay, at the moment crash 1000 is on downtrend. You can see the crashes that are happening at the moment shows that the market is on downtrend, though we got a buy signal here which was confirmed later on around here, and that actually led to how many candles? About 20-minute candles, which is amazing. But when it got to this resistance level, it started spiking. You remember at that resistance level here, that was when it gave us this spike. So the same thing happened here, and it has gotten to this level. Okay, so of course we've had a lot of opportunity to buy in the past. You can see a lot of opportunities. You can see that the indicator confirming the signal are growing around here, which means you can always buy around here from here to this level, which is about 43-minute candles. You can imagine that. Okay, you can imagine that. So let's check out what is happening with boom 500 using the QDC scraper indicator. At the moment, for a while, the QDC scraper indicator has shown that the market was on uptrend. So it has been spiking ever since. So as you can see, spiking right from here to this level, even though it's tried to reverse from here to this level, but each time it's reversed, you can see. Okay, let me try and highlight our entry point so that we get to know if it's actually got to the entry point or not. This is our entry point, so let's check it out. It started spiking but reversed to this level. It almost got to our entry point but didn't get there. You can see we didn't see the white line, it didn't get there. Okay, so it started pulling back again upward till it got to this level. So right now the exit arrow for the trend has come out, so you can see it here. So you should exit your market here if you are going on a very long trade. Okay, but right now you should be preparing for a sell. As you can see, it is showing us that the market is selling at the moment, and as you can see, we got our sell signal and it has been selling. But you need to be very careful here, and the reason is at this stage, it is always important for you to take note of something. Okay, let me quickly say this. It is part of teaching. Okay, even though we are trying to analyze today's trade. Okay, as you can see, the trend has actually shown us that the market is going back on downtrend, and we've gotten our sell signal. Okay, not everybody have this knowledge of knowing what to do at this particular point. You will notice that this thing is coming from, the market is coming from a very long uptrend. Okay, you don't expect it to go into downtrend almost immediately. Okay, it is possible for these 4 MA candles to pull it back up again before it will eventually break out from these 4 MA candles. So this is what I will advise you. Okay, most especially if you don't have much capital, once you see a trend changing like that, always make sure it is broken totally. For instance, this is a sell trend. You can come in here and exit the market once it is approaching these 4 MA candles, but wait for it to spike or to break out from these 4 MA candles. Once it breaks out from it, you can come in again and trade till the end of the trend. That will help you to save some profit for yourself, and it will also help you to reduce the stress you pass through when you are caught up in a spike. Okay, so that is just a simple tip that you should know. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 500. For crash 500, it has been on uptrend from here to this level. Right now it has got into resistance level and consolidating around here in order for us to know where to go or not. Okay, I mean if it is going up or going down. Okay, and remember all these are 1 hour time frame. So I'll be stopping here with my analysis. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So quickly, we'll be looking at how to identify long trading opportunities in boom and crash. Okay, that is what we'll be looking at today. Okay, I will be sharing with you how to identify all these long trading opportunities, how to set your chart up, and how to know that it is time for you to go into the trade and when to know when to exit the trade. So sit tight and watch this to the end. You're going to enjoy it, and this will actually, I mean, it's going to change your trading activity totally. Okay, I mean positively. Okay, so let's go straight into the chart. Okay, this is crash 1000, this is crash 1000. So I'm going to share with you briefly some trading opportunities, more especially long time trading opportunities. Actually, for those that know how to do their analysis, they can use the support and resistance level to identify all these areas. Then they can use the candle formation to identify if it is going to break a certain support or a certain resistance, so that they will know if the market will reverse at that point or not. out. Okay, so these are very, very important, but all these are very long story if you don't know about it, if you don't have any idea about it. For instance, somewhere here we add our inverted hammer here, so which means that, and it is at the resistance level. If you should check it out, it is at a resistance level, which means that at that stage there will be a reversal in price action, even if it's going to be for a little period. That is why we have our sell arrow pointing out here, and check it out, it started going down and it got down to this level. But not everyone can identify some of these kind of patterns. Not everyone can identify some of the support and resistance levels. So I just want you to follow these simple steps, this simple strategy, so that you will be able to trade successfully using this strategy. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to have this set up on your chart. You can try it out on your demo account first. Don't worry, it's going to work both on your demo and on your real account. Okay, so you can set it out on your demo and your real account, but first I want you to focus more on your demo account, because I want you to practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you now head on to your real account. So the first thing you need to do is to set it up just the way you are seeing it on the screen right now. Okay, after setting it up, I want you to identify this. Okay, you can see this third indicator is the trend QDC trend scraper indicator. Okay, it helps you to know the general trend of the market. There are three indicators here telling us about trend. Okay, the first one is the 4MA candles on the main chart. The second one is the second indicator in the second indicator window. Then the third one is this, which is the QDC scraper indicator. The 4MA candles and this second indicator are meant for short period. Okay, while this is actually meant for a very long period. So after setting up this chart, your chart just the way you are seeing it on my screen, the next thing you need to do is to set up your time frame to H1. Okay, so I'm on 1 hour time frame right now. I'm on 1 hour time frame right now. The reason for this is we want to use it to trade for a very long time. So you want to pick up a signal or check out opportunities that will help us to trade for a very long time, even if it's just going to be for a candle. A single candle. That is trading for 1 hour. I think it is cool enough. So this is an idea that you can apply in your trading activities. Okay, if you have been following up with my videos and if you have been practicing everything I shared in my videos, then you should be milking the market successfully, because I've got a lot of people telling me that, thanking me recently about the training I did about volatility 75, trading spikes and the likes, and they said it has actually helped them to improve with their trading activity. So you guys too should listen and practice everything I am sharing in this video, because it's going to be very simple and easy for you to practice on your own. Okay, so after having it set up like this, the next thing you should look out for is the trend. Okay, when the trend is red like this, it shows that the market is on downtrend. You can see it is falling around here. When it is green like this, it shows that the market is on uptrend. If you should check it out, it is more of uptrend than downtrend at that particular time. It is more of buy signal than sell signal. The buy signal are always stronger than the sell signal at that particular time. Okay, this is crash 1000. I want to teach you how you can buy with it, not how you can trade the drop down candles. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. Okay, so after getting your arrow, the first opportunity you should look out for is this. Once your trend is showing you that is showing you an uptrend arrow like this, it shows that you should be getting ready to buy. So the next thing you should look out for is this green bar and also the blue arrow that is showing up here. You should look very well here. You will see a blue arrow down here. Okay, so which means that you can buy around there. And if you should check it out, the candle formation that shows that the blue arrow is showing on is an hammer candle. And if you should look at it, even though the body is longer, okay, this is a bullish engulfing candle formation. Okay, and which means that the market is going to go back on an uptrend. So check it out. Once you see this, then you should know that it is time for you to buy at this particular time. If you are not good with your TA, then you don't need to bother yourself with all this kind of pattern and the likes. You can learn it along the line, but right now all you need to focus on is this. Once you see this and you see the blue arrow popping out, you don't miss that opportunity. That is the first opportunity you should tap into. Okay, so you just come in here. You can come in here on this candle and trade. You can come in here on this candle and trade, but check it out. You're going to exit your trade once you see the exit arrow popping out, which is the red arrow. So you can be in the market for 7 good hours buying successfully. Not that there won't be crashes in between, there will be, but it gives you an opportunity, it gives you an edge to buy for a very long time. So that is 7 good hours buying for 7 good hours. That is amazing. Okay, I will always advise you to follow the signal on this main chart, to follow the signal that supports the trend on the third indicator window. Okay, to follow the signal. So when is the next opportunity? In case you miss this, the next opportunity is when you see another buy arrow. You can see this is another buy arrow, and if you should see the candle formation, it is an armor. Okay, so it shows that the market will also buy at that particular point. So you can see this actually gave us another 7 candles again, which is 7 good hours. Okay, so you can buy from here, starting from here, and be in the market for 7 good hours. So you exit your market on this arrow. Okay, on this arrow. Okay, so this is where you get another opportunity. Okay, where you have your arrow popping out again, and you can be in the market for how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 hours before you exit the market. Okay, on this exit arrow, you already see the candle formation, which is bearish engulfing. Okay, so you already see the candle formation, but you don't need to bother yourself with all that. So you can see that this is another opportunity for you to buy again. So you can buy here and be in the market till this level. This will actually take you for a very long time. Okay, this actually take you for 11 good hours being in the market. Buying in the market for good 11 hours. That is amazing. Okay, this is another opportunity for you to buy again. Okay, another opportunity for you to buy again, and it will give you an opportunity to buy till this level, which is about 24 hours. You can imagine that for a whole day you can be in the market, just keep on buying and buying and buying and buying. Okay, so that is one way to buy. That is one way to spot out the opportunity. Another way to spot out the opportunity is, okay, let's say you miss the arrow. You can always come in when it is crossing these 4 MA candles. Okay, when it is crossing these 4 MA candles above it, you can come in and buy. So you can always come in somewhere here to buy because it has crossed the candle. So you can buy from here to this level, which is amazing. Okay, which is amazing. This is another opportunity for you to come in again when it crossed the 4 MA candles. This is another opportunity again when it cross the 4 MA candles. Then this is another one when it cross the 4 MA candles. It always gives you an opportunity to buy more at that particular time. Okay, so there is another way to go about it, which is the third way. That is, let's say after coming in from here, it's got to this level, there is a crash, it crashed to this level. You can add another trade at this level. Remember, you came in here on this candle, then you can still add another candle, another order here, which will be your second order because it crashed down a bit. Then you can also come in after breaking out from these 4 MA candles because it has broken out from the 4 MA candles, so which give you an opportunity to come in again. So that way you will be having 3 orders open for yourself. This will be giving you massive profits once the price action has gotten to this level. Remember, use reasonable lot size. If your capital is not strong enough to open multiple order, you don't need to force yourself to open it. So you can do it this way. After breaking out after this crash down and you are opening a new order here, you can close the first order if your capital is not strong enough. Okay, you can close the first order and open the second order here. When it breaks out from the 4 MA candles and it has gotten to this level, you can open another order here and close the last order again. So you have this order to go on this way. You will have gotten 2 profits. You will have created 2 orders and closed them in profit for yourself. So it will just remain the last order that you created that will be going, and at that particular point your risk is reduced at that particular point. So I would like you to watch this video over and over again so that you will understand how to go about it. Okay, do your analysis on your demo account. Have your setup on your demo account. Have this setup on your demo account. Watch the video. I liked all the steps I have dished out here, and try them out on your demo account. See if it actually work for you or not. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you and God bless you.